Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to share some prompt keyword to create images. With the help of these prompts you can create amazing images. Just have to follow the step which I am going to share in the video and you can get the desired images, because I know you are not aware with the tool how you can give the concise and clear command to the tool to get desired output. So you just have to watch the video till the end and get to know everything about prompts and keyword to generate the images from the AI tool. Okay, so let's try these keywords, and with the help of these keywords I'm going to generate the multiple variation of the images. So I need green bottle with some effects and colors and styles. So I just have to write here like green bottle with cinematic lighting effect. So as you can see there is a 4 variation of the images. As you can see how beautiful images is here, but if we not aware the keywords like what kind of exactly images we are looking for, so we need to learn about the keywords and about the prompts. Like here I am going to search for a green bottle with ambient lighting effect. Now see the result, and I am going to try multiple variations, multiple keywords to generate the images. So you can watch the video till the end and you will get to know everything how you can use these effects, colors and lighting and brighting to get the better and accurate images. Sometimes what happens, our mind know that what exactly we need, but we don't know how to give these prompt to the tool for that result, for that desired images, right? So if you practice these keywords and understand exactly the effects, colors and lighting part, then you will get to know how you can use these keywords to generate those images what you are thinking in your mind. Okay, see, AI tool, you have to understand that this is nothing but it is everything if you give the right command, if you give the exact, concise, clear, detailed and clean command to the AI tool, then you can't imagine how better the output you can get from the tool, because AI tool is a trained model, right? Without command it is nothing. So if you want to leverage the tool, you need to practice the keywords, prompts, and have to learn how you can take the advantage of these AI tools. Okay. So I'm trying multiple things here, multiple effects, colors, and lighting effect. So just stay tuned and watch the video. You must have questioned which tool I am using to generate these images. So I am using Microsoft Bing Image Creator. This tool is also powered by DALL-E 2, but DALL-E 2 and Discord is paid now. It's chargeable, so you can take the advantage of this tool, Microsoft Bing Image Creator. And this works the same as Discord and DALL-E 2. And every day you will get 100 of images to generate. If you want to create for any purpose or for your business, you will get 100 of free images every day. It works the same way, just have to give the text input to the tool and you will get the output. Okay. I will write the formula, the prompt formula in the description box. You just have to copy the prompt and have to paste to any AI image generation tool. You will get the desired output. You just have to change the attribute like effects, colors, style and pattern, but the formula is same. Just follow this step and get your desired images. Okay. So this is the formula you have to follow, and I am sharing the template to get you started. You just follow these steps and you can create or generate any kind of images you want. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you like the video, you know the thrill. What you have to do, just do share and subscribe to my channel. And if you like the content, if you like these video, please stay tuned with me. I am going to explore so many AI tools, and also I will tell you how you can take advantage of these tools for your business and your life betterment. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.